Hey, hello friends. Hi, I am Deepa Thakur. Welcome back again in C programming language. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about format specifier in C programming language. So, let's see format specifier. What is format specifier? First, it is a placeholder of variable, means in printf where we write the format specifier, or in scanf where we write the format specifier, is a placeholder of that variable. Second, it always start with modulus sign. Third, it is used to decorate the output. Now format specifier we can write in printf and scanf both. So let's see one by one what is printf format specifier and what is scanf format specifier. So now let's begin. Format specifier in C use with scanf function. First is modulus C or %C. Read a character. Example. A character can be anything. We can write in single quotation capital A, small a to z, capital A to z here. Capital A to capital Z. Here small a to small z. Number also, but in single quotation only. 0 to 9. In single quotation, we write a character. Second property. Second is mod D. Read a decimal integer. Any integer which is built up to 0 to 9. Zero to 9, it's a decimal integer. Suppose 1 or 3. 1 is lie between 0 to 9 and 3 is also lie between 0 to 9. Or we can use negative number also. But 2 is lie in 0 to 9 and 3 is also lie in 0 to 9. That's why we can use these numbers as a decimal integer. For that we use format specifier mod D. Third, module E, modulus F, modulus G. These three are the read a float. Float value means means 34.87, 56.89, anything you can write is a real number or fractional number. It's your float value. For that we use format specifier modulus E, modulus F, modulus G. Read as a float. Fourth, modulus H. Read as a short integer. Range between minus 128 to 127. We are talking about signed integer. And if we are talking about unsigned integer, 0 to 255. Short integers are signed and unsigned. Signed integer are minus 128 to 127 and unsigned integer are 0 to 255. Modulus H is unbound. Therefore, we use mod D for signed integer, and for unsigned integer we use mod U, format specifier. Next format specifier now. Now next is modulus I. Read a decimal, hexadecimal or octal integer. Decimal integers are 0 to 9. Hexadecimal are 0 to 9. There are 16 numbers 0 to 9 and A to F. For A, 10, B, 11, C, 12, D 13, 14, 14 for 11, 14 for E, so on. And octal we use 0 to 7, that is 8. Here if we use 4, if we use the hexadecimal 4A3, 4A3 is your hexadecimal number, and for decimal number 43 is your decimal number, and octal we use 0 to 7. Mod I is common for all. If you want to use format specifier for specific decimal, we use mod D. Hexadecimal integer for use mod X, modulus X, and for octal integer we use mod O, modulus O. After that, go to next format specifier. After that, modulus S, format specifier. Read a string character. Here example, hello. H is another character, E is another character, L is another character, L is another character, O is another character. Is a collection of character is called string. String is always written in double quotation, and for string we use mod S. If we use character, for that we use mod C, and it is always written in single quotation. Character is always written in single quotation and string is always written in double quotation. Last one, format specifier in scanf function. Modulus square bracket 3 dots square bracket close. This format specifier is used for reads of words. Example. In example, there is two words, C programming. It's a combination of together. It's called string of words. Space is also allowed. For that we use modulus square bracket 3 dot. For that we use, it's allowed two strings also and space also considerable. So these are the scanf function format specifier. Now we see printf function format specifier. Now let's see. Before we see printf function format specifier, let's see one thing. In both printf function and scanf function, small l is used for long or double. Format specifier, if you use long integer data type or double integer data type, we use format specifier modulus small l f. Long double, double long, both we use, for that we use capital L. We have seen data type in format data type. In that we use three type: format, long, long double. In that we use long. For that modulus we use modulus small l f, and for long double we use modulus capital L f, format specifier. Now let's see printf function in format specifier. Format specifier in C used with printf. First, module C, print a character, same as scanf function. Second, modulus D, print a decimal integer, same as scanf function. Third, module E, print a format value in exponential form. Exponential means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.59. We can write as 1.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 9. E, exponential E, plus 8. 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This 8 is decimal. Before decimal, the 8 is at the power of 8. 10 raised to the power 8. It's your exponential form. Means 10 raised to the power 8. In scanf function, mod E is used for read a font only. Here is also is read used for font only and exponential form also. Mod F is used for format only, font only, decimal number only, and mod G is used for both, whether to display exponential form or format form, depend upon how the number initially assigned. Mod E is specifically for exponential form, mod F is for float value, and mod G is depends on the choice of exponential or float. After that, mod I. Here mod I is used for signed decimal integer. In scanf, mod I is used for decimal, hexadecimal or octal, three of them. But now in printf function we use mod I for decimal integer only. Mod O is used for octal integer. After that, in scanf statement, mod I is used for decimal, hexadecimal and octal. In here, single decimal integer, for this integer only, decimal integer only, we use mod I. For octal integer, we use mod O. And for hexadecimal, we use mod X. Mod U, you know already, is for unsigned decimal integer, same as scanf function. And here mod S is used for printing a string. In scanf we use for string, only use for string. Here we use for character and string. We can use mod C also for character, and for string and character we use both for mod S in printf. Likewise, these are the format specifier for printf function and scanf function. And again, remember this, in printf statement, in printf function and scanf function, this L and capital L, small l is used for any data type, long or double, which we use individually, long integer data type or long float data type, double float data type, we use modulus small lf. For capital, long and double, both we are using data type, at that time we use modulus lf for printf and scanf. So this is your format specifier in C used for scanf. And format specifier used in printf. These are format specifier. Compare all these format specifier in printf and scanf and read one more time, so that if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment box. And if you like my video, click on like button. If you want to see my further videos in any topic of C programming, you can subscribe my channel, click on bell icon. For that, if you click on bell icon, you get notification for my further videos. Thank you for watching my video.